might be wondering, what am I doing? Well, basically, I just asked myself when I was still single. And the other me answered it by, I'm single by choice. Not my choice, but yeah, it is still a choice. Can you see my dark circles are bigger than my friend circle? I am fully self-conscious. I don't feel jealous of anyone. So if someone thinks I'm jealous of it, bless their delusional hearts. Because girl, respectfully, 5% of my life was panic. And of the 95% was disco, so no, thank you. Nobody give me butterflies, bro, you'll just give me headaches. And FYI, I already catch a feeling on somebody. Me, myself, and I, thank you, what a love triangle. And I can turn my sadness into a joke by myself, so don't worry about me. Do you know what I dreamed of? Make my own scenario about myself being the happiest loner in the world who don't give a fuck about whatever happens tomorrow.
I was quiet, but not deaf. Left side is black, but I still can hear the color on the right. Isn't it ironic? It wasn't me that started I want to be like this, but some people acting like I was too dumb to hear or say anything at all. Seeing me in the middle of the crowd and realize it's me. It's only me who know exactly what it's like to be me. Hard, lonely, slowly fade away. And at the end, I just have to go with it. On the memories that I want to be involved, but I have to live with it every single day.
Roy, why don't you sleep at night? I do. I sleep for 24/7. It's always the same. In my dreams, I never speak. Who would be there to listen to me anyway? In absolute darkness, I reveal my real feelings and desire. Yearning for warmth, a companion, or a shoulder. I feel like I've told this story a lot of times. but only the void and the darkness in my dreams awaits for me. To everyone, I'm just a shadow, insignificant, and at one point of time, every waking moment just becomes bitter for me.
Dear Alex, how have you been? It's been a while since we last spoke. I hope that all is well with you. I heard Ukraine managed to bomb Moscow a while ago. Please stay safe and avoid the city for a while. I went to the beach today and remembered how you used to love running along the shore. The one I went to wasn't anything like Penang though. The beach I went to was made of large rocks, and as I was walking along the rocks I saw these strange things lying on the ground. I'm not sure what they are, but they looked religious. I was afraid to touch them, just in case they were important to someone. The rocks were slippery, so I walked along the street next to the beach. As I walked, the rocks slowly gave way to sand. It was a proper beach now, but I don't think you would have liked it. It was covered in trash and debris from the sea. But I did find something cool though. I found a horseshoe crab near the border where the sand and rocks met. Did you know that horseshoe crabs have been around since the dinosaurs? They are one of the oldest animals in the world, but the one I found was so small, smaller than the palm of my hand. I wonder how young it was. Anyways, I didn't stay long at the beach. It was getting too hot in the afternoon. As I was walking back, I saw a kite in the sky, but it was just tied to a tree. One day when the war is finally over, I hope that you can come back to Malaysia. I have so many places I want to show you.